Hey, you know what? Last week, I'm looking for a new micro SD card for my phone. Well, I have a lot of micro SD cards, but somehow I looking on the website and I saw this. This is a funny thing. I'm just funny try to find out what is the pricing for 1 TB micro SD card. And you see, no, okay, this is normal price like 1,004, 1,005, and something around 1,004, 1,005, 1,003. And somehow there is someone really selling 300 ringgit. And this when you select local. If you select overseas, you see there are something crazy, even crazy, like 18 ringgit for 1 TB. Are you kidding me? And also 15 ringgit, even cheaper for this. Well, I know what is this, and I still see they sell 58 numbers, and this one sell like 255, 25. This is a big scam. Oh, but I can't say it is scam if I don't have any proof, right? So I decide to get one from one of them, and yes, I got one, and I received it on Friday. So I put it on the report machine. I mean, the tester software is called H2TestW, and then I make it to run. And this is a drive SDXC. You see that I got 999 gigabyte, which is almost 1 TB, and I fill it up full of files. It seemed like real, right? Oh, how do they do it? How can you say it's a fake? Because if you can fill up 1 TB of data, actually to fill up this data, spend me 1 week of time, around 5 days plus, because the writing speed is crazy slow. The final report, it look like here, but I need to roll it up. Never mind, I already copy out to Notepad. So you will see this is the report. Well, if you don't know what is H2TestW, it's some sort of SD or storage tester. You will generate file, put inside the storage, and then read it out to check whether got backsection or your file loss or something. Well, it got all error reading file, and yeah, it got the volume file has been externally altered. Sorry if I made long, you just correct me at the bottom, so that the open file is no longer valid, which means when you copy file inside, they got a hidden drive or hidden software that actually modify your file to be fit into the drive. Looks like you are copying, but actually you are copying all the damaged file you're unable to open. And only that they actually tested 1 TB, take me it's 5 days, and then the media is likely to be defective. Basically, only 40 megabyte are working. So you are spending 16 ringgit to buy the 40 megabyte. You can buy a normal 16 gigabyte, but not 40 megabyte. Okay, 16 gigabyte for around that price. But this one, it only 40, and then they got all bad sector. I think this one is like 8 gigabyte drive that put all the files inside and hidden, only left the space that let you copy file in and damage it out. Well, you know, there are scam, but why so many people still buying? I don't know. Why people still buying, and somehow you still you see them the 5-star review and good for seller. What? I think I'm probably say that this guy are fake, or maybe not. But when they open up, you see the 1 TB free space. If you feel like it's working, and when you look at the packaging, let me tell you one thing you might not know. A branding company, let's say Santis, if you buy their product, you will see their packaging everywhere about relax, send this, send this, send this. Samsung, you will send Samsung in the packet, not like this. If you look at the package here, they're only writing memory card. No, and all the package are same. You see, the one I have here is same. The one I have is the fake SanDisk, the micro SD card writing on SanDisk, but all the packaging they're using the same one. Most likely they are come from the same factory. Yeah, you see, barang dah sampai. So far memang betul ada 256. Okay, you open up, you see it is 256. When you copy your files in, if you don't have backup for that file, congratulations, all your file become mess and you unable to open it again. A lot of people don't know about that. And look at the price, the thing here. Sampai dengan sampai the number. So they actually open up and trying the moving part inside. You moving, you not copy. You will most likely you're going to lose all the data. Guys, if you see this video or you are the one that you still can get the files, call me. But I'm pretty sure your files all gone. If your file's still there, you call me. Score me, because or just leave a comment below, let me know. I will call you back. Because I know it's a fake. And what I do is, why I still buy it. First thing, I buy from Lazada. I know it's fake. Second thing, I was going to refund them back. Well, it's fake. You had to have them prove, right? Now I've tested. Only 4 mega, no, this one is only 40 megabyte are okay. The one is writing on micro SD card is 1 terabyte and its title is 100% original. Come on. The horrible part is not the liar, not the scammer. It's the people who don't have the knowledge to detect all this stuff. By right, 1 terabyte they just announced. Micro said 1 terabyte micro SD card just announced this year, and it's around 1,003 to 1,005 ringgit, depend where you buy it. If you really want to buy the original, especially these kind of high value products, you should buy from OIT or somewhere that you can always come back. Any problem, you just find their customer service or whoever to just replacement 1-to-1, right? Easy. But you buy from online and you think that 1 terabyte will be 20 ringgit. Come on, not going to happen. I'm just so laughing on all this review, and I'm going to get one back, then test it out, give the report, make this video. This is the purpose I do, and then I send it back. Refund method 7 days, and I almost 7 days, because the first day I get it, I quickly run on this testing software. I hopefully if we finish faster, because 1 terabyte is running only 3 to 4 megabyte per second. That is horrible slow. Normal micro SD card would take like 10, even 100 megabytes per second already now, the fastest one. And now it's this one only 4. And the reading speed is 9 megabyte. So after the copy everything in, even it starting to test, then it already stopped, because it know everything's a fail to read. So you don't have to test, because the verify take 11 minutes. You see the writing taking 71 hours. Come on, 71 hours. I really left my computer run that, because if I don't see the result, I don't think everyone will trust it. Or if you don't trust this software, you can try others, just like micro SD card software. But what I want to say that is to all these guys, this one I can close now, to all these guys, all these people's friends, you get scammed, and your review helping them scam more people. I'm here making these videos to tell you guys, They are scam. Don't buy it. If you buy it already, within the time, refund to them. Or if everyone just buy and keep refund, wasting their time, wasting their shipping fees. They are all shipping from China. How come it can be so cheap? You know, I don't know, right? Why they're doing this scamming stuff? I don't understand. And you see, not only one, there are a lot. When you just oversee, you see almost every one of them are same product. Like what this one, you look at this image, and they got different sizes, of course, but you look at the pricing, extremely cheap. And you seriously think that is working? That workable? No. Like Samsung, okay, this one pricing is still normal. But not only looking at the pricing, you know, sometimes we really don't want to buy from overseas, especially those so-called, you look at it, oh, so cheap. This one is the huge scam. Of course, no one buy yet because the value is 1,004, and this one selling 2,003. That expect you to be think it's original, but somehow the SanDisk adapter is not look like this. The original one not going to look like this. Even he may be really selling the original, you don't want to buy it from them because who you find for warranties, right? And the price is extremely high. But if you look at China, all of them, I can tell they are from China, same place. Well, I'm stopped complaining now. Well, mine one, I already print out the return bill to ship it back because I buy from Lazada. Okay, they got item return, so sort of thing. So I won't pay any cent for this, but a lot of them, you see, if I use for higher sales, they see they are selling 1.2 thousand, 2.6 thousand per month. They are earning a lot of money, bro. Even they're selling 16 GB. Possible it are fake. This one looks okay, but how do you tell it's really original? Okay, look at the package. Okay, this is original. You see SanDisk Ultra. Normally, if the original one, they will always put the branding in. And the one I received is not. The micro SD card look like this. I can take out the SD card now. The SD card look like this. Yeah, it's writing SanDisk, but well, are fake. And the packaging look like fake. So I don't know what if you okay, I have nothing to say already because what report I already show you. I hope you share to more people, help them to learn, and yeah, that's it. Well, it's time to me to refund this back to the scammer, and then it's your turn. Share this video, help more people to understand, not to get this kind of scam. They actually earn a lot of money if you really do. Well, whatever time you're watching this, thank you for watching my videos and see you next time. If you want me to talk about any topics, you can let me know in the comment below. If you think this is helpful, give me thumbs up and bye.